Hey guys, Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. The Mountain Kid is with me as well. We're fixing to go drop off a bunch of toys from Resellers for Tots. I'll show you what we picked up in the back. We've actually got a little bit more on the way. They are setting up the place now for people to pick up their toys next weekend. So I think they're going to let us go in and look around real quick at just how big an operation this thing is, and you can get an idea of what Toys for Tots looks like from the inside. But yeah, let's look in the back of the thrift and wagon. We'll show you what we got.
That's not what we're calling the car.
That's not what we're calling it?
No.
I actually call it the thrift machine.
No.
It's the thrift machine. So here we go, guys. This, not actually even all of it, because I know there's more coming. It's going to be here probably Monday or Tuesday. And that adds another probably 15 or 20. I know it looks like there's all Hot Wheels here, but I mean, we've got Star Wars, we've got Frozen, Super Mario. Look at, there's some My Little Pony dolls down there. There's Lego Minecraft. There's so much cool stuff in here, guys. Thank you so much. That one's pretty cool. Fisher Price little music box thing. I like that. We got Alex, it's a spa in a jar. I like it. That'll be good for an older kid. They have a hard time finding stuff for older kids, so that's fantastic. We got some action figures here. I mean, there's so much stuff, and of course I buried it with my 100 Hot Wheels, but look at that. Okay, here we go. Orb Slimy. Oops. Okay, so yeah, you guys know what it does. We got crayons and color books in here. There's so much stuff in here, guys. Thank you so much. We're fixing to go drop this off right now. Jumping forward in time. We're going to jump back, but I wanted to show you, we did get another box. The family Flips sent over a whole bunch of toys. There is just a mess in here. You guys may have seen their unboxing where they showed these toys come in. We got a Star Wars Stormtrooper motion sensing helicopter. We've got that glider. I mean, there's Funko Pops in here. Mario and Luigi slippers. Despicable Me cars. I mean, there's fantastic stuff in here. This is incredible. I think we found the right place. This is actually the Air Readiness Center. It's on the base, and they're letting them use it. So. Funko Pops, huh? We gotta catch Howard at some point. Cool. I got a whole carload of those toys that I brought over for you.
Oh, cool.
Do you want me, is there an empty box I can load up?
Yes.
Stuff in there. We wound up with somewhere a little over 200 toys, I think.
You want to bring them back here to this door?
I can go wherever you want me to go.
Why don't you do that, and we'll pull that door up. You can come in first, and then I'll pull in after you. I'm going to back a trailer in. We're going to take a bunch.
Well, I'll follow you out then.
Okay.
And we'll just follow you around.
We had 5 cargo trailers and a box truck. We're transporting stuff in from the area, and we have just a ton of people here. I don't know how many. Civil Air Patrol was the big one today. The Marine police are here. They've been doing PT and other kinds of things this morning. And the police are the men and women that have signed up they've signed the contract for the Marines, and they're waiting for their spot to boot camp.
Okay. So we got the Marine Corps recruits unloading all of your toys right now, and they effectively boxed me in, so I can't even get out and help.
Where are we putting these? You know, if we got one box.
And just like that. So the answer to the riddle of how many Marine recruits does it take to empty out the back of the thrift machine
More than one would think.
has been solved.
We want to give you a shout out of thanks for all the toys and everything you've given to Toys for Tots this year. We're going to have an amazing Christmas for a lot of families. Merry Christmas to you all.
So we're all dropped off, guys. Those recruits unloaded the stuff really fast, and I think we had a little bit of video in there from inside of Toys for Tots. You guys could see just such a massive operation, and so I know it feels like drops in the bucket what you guys did. They had box trucks of toys showing up at this place, but you know what? I talked with Howard, and he said every single one of those toys is going to go out. Every single one is going to a kid, going to a family, and we ended up with over 200 toys donated. We also had more than $100 donated online, either given to, actually about 200 between money that was given to us that we donated and money that was donated directly to Toys for Tots online. So incredible. So thank you guys so much for what you did. You made Christmas a lot better for many families, and I'm so blessed to have such great subscribers on this channel, and you guys are all just fantastic people. God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.